In many classrooms today, students move through lessons quickly, yet the core concepts don't always land. There's often a gap between what's taught and what's truly understood. Bridge is a series of workbooks for classes 3 to 8, aligned strictly to NCERT textbooks. Each book offers recall, reasoning, application, and skill building, layered with engaging formats like case-based questions, experiments, puzzles. And RedMenta-powered adaptive assessments.
RedMenta is an integrated AI assistant for adaptive education. It helps you create personalized learning paths in 3 powerful steps: creating engaging learning materials, evaluating individual student activity, and adapting to student performance data. Create, evaluate, adapt. With RedMenta, you can now create a personalized learning experience for every single student.
Now, Bridge has some very special features for both students and teachers. Students get videos that can be accessed via QR codes.
Welcome to the world of fractions, our way to talk about fair shares and parts of a whole. When we divide one whole thing into equal parts, each part is a fraction. Like half of a roti is written as 1/2.
Digital assessments accessible through QR codes. Self-check and reflection prompts to gauge understanding and build confidence. Teachers get solutions to NCERT textbook and workbook, ready-made lesson plan with assessments to check students' understanding. Bridge series is available for English, Hindi, Maths, EVS, Science, and Social Studies. To request samples or demos, contact SAAR Education